This tutorial provides an overview of the law relating to public and private nuisance. An owner of land or rights in land is entitled to enjoyment and use of that land. The tort of nuisance provides a cause of action so that a claim may be brought in the event of interference with that enjoyment and/or use. Public nuisance. A public nuisance has been described as an act not warranted by law or an omission to discharge a legal duty, which obstructs or causes inconvenience or damage to the public in the exercise of rights common to the public. A claimant must demonstrate that the persons affected by the nuisance constituted the public or a section or particular class of the public, and the claimant suffered some special and particular damage over and above the inconvenience suffered by the public at large. In PYA Quarries, the court observed that any nuisance is public which materially affects the reasonable comfort and convenience of life of a class of Her Majesty's subjects. It is not necessary to prove that every member of the class has been injuriously affected. It is sufficient to show that a representative cross-section of the class has been so affected for an injunction to issue. It follows that the class of people affected by public nuisance may be of any size. However, it must retain a public quality and thereby affect ordinary people. The nuisance may affect some people more than it may affect others.